Hi there! This tutorial will be dedicated to horizontal and vertical lines control in VolFix.NET platform. Let's switch to cluster profile. In every chart's upper right corner you can choose one of four line types: day, good to cancel, alert, and the line which exists a minimal amount of time while you are working with the grow. After closing the window, this line type will be automatically deleted from the grow of the given tool. Then, day type means existence of line during one trading session, good to cancel until you cancel it in manual mode. Alert type means that line exists until it reaches the price pointed in the alert line. How to set up these lines? You activate a line by left mouse button click within a price scale or by left mouse button click within a time scale, and it's following the mouse cursor. If you set a grow beyond the screen, the line will automatically escape while it's following the cursor. In order to set up a line, you should find a needed price and then click left mouse button once again. The line is fixed and isn't bound to cursor anymore. The same we do on the time scale. In order to delete the line, we should activate it again, press right mouse button, and thus we delete it manually. Let's set up a day type line. The line will be placed on the grow even after closing the platform until the end of a trading day on your PC. Next, good to cancel line type. It will be bound to this tool as well as the given time frame until it's deleted. Please notice that all the lines are stored on our servers and are linked to your login. This happens automatically. A simple setup line without its adjustment changing will be linked to the certain time frame, certain tool, and a certain window. The alert type line is changing its color as you see. If you place it below the market, it will be colored green with the A letter. If you place it above the market, then it will be red with the same A letter. The red color means a signal for short, wherein the green means a signal to buy. By default, we have an orange color of line setting and black color for line text font. This also concerns the timelines as well as the price one. Then, if you want to change default line color, you should enter the color settings, label, and the label font. The label button changes the default line color, while the label font button changes the font color. Click Apply. We see the label font changed, while the default line color has also been changed. Also, you can set up the color of lines manually. Place the cursor on the certain price or the time of line, then right-click and we have an access to the line color adjustment menu. Having chosen any preferable color there, we can change any line color this way. Having pressed left mouse button on the line settings title, we got the access to the color changing. There you may choose more color. Also you can choose a line type, but we'll do it in bar chart as here you can switch between different line types. Also you can change the line thickness in pixels. You can add a title as well as choose the title location at the top, in center or in the lower right corner. In order to remove the title, we repeat the same procedure, deleting it and click Apply. Then we see the title disappeared. Also, you may notice two buttons there, All Windows and All Intervals. At the moment, the line is linked to the 15 minutes interval by default, E-mini CNP 500 tool, as well as the cluster profile window. Let's change the interval to 5 minutes. So we see there's no lines. Let's go back to 15 minutes and see that they are. Say we set up needed lines in a certain window and we want to play them to all the intervals of the given window. We should activate All Intervals button, so this line will be copied on all the time frames within this window. Please keep in mind that it will be saved there after copying. Even if you delete it here, it will be available in other windows. In order to remove it completely, we should click on All Windows button, then All Intervals and delete the line. Let's check it. There is no line anywhere. If you set up the line again, add All Windows and All Intervals, the line will be available on other intervals and other windows. Let's go to bar chart. Here we got even two lines stored, the previous and the current one. As I said, in addition to color, title and location settings, we can also change the type of line as well as its thickness. Click Apply. Then we see that the line became dotted and it changed its thickness to 3 pixels. Next, if you want to replace any number of lines to other rows, 5, 10 and so on, in the context menu applied by the right mouse button click, there is a line control. What we got here? Copy, paste, delete all price lines, as well as delete all timelines. Let's start with copying. Get back to cluster profile, then paste it. So we got lines from bar chart removed into here. After working with them, we need to delete them. Choose Delete All. The lines are removed. If you have noticed, every line has its own gradient. It's becoming darker in the end, while closer to the price scale it has the color what we chosen in the color settings menu. How to change it? Go to Traders Rating window, open Global Options. Here we got to use the lines and color. You may choose a gradient from the black to the chosen one in every window. Next, you also may change the gradient color, or after clicking on that cross button, you may delete the option for choosing gradient. The line became unicolored. Let's go back to Global Options, choose the black color, and then the lines will be with the black gradient. What else could we say about it? Also, in the main window of the platform, you may enter the other options. Here we can set the alert mailing, adjust price, alert beep, change its sound, and so forth. After changing, please click Apply button. It's all for today. Good luck in trading. Cheers!